We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 17. Which number line represents the solution to the inequality above? We'll solve the inequality now. For a more detailed explanation of the steps involved, you can find tutorials on YouTube. If time permits, we can create a step-by-step video. The solution we arrived at is x is greater or equal to 5. Option A, B, C are all incorrect. Greater than equal means the arrow will go to the right direction and starts from 5. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 18. Angle F and angle H are supplementary angles. The sum of the angle measures of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. The measure of angle F is 77 degrees. The measure of angle H is 5x plus 18 degrees. Hence, we have 77 plus 5x plus 18 equals 180. G is the correct answer. Question number 19. A spinner with 6 equal sections is shown. What is the probability of spinning a number greater than 4? We have 5 and 6 are greater than 4. There are 6 sections in the circle. So the probability is 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which equation represents the linear relationship between the x values and the y values in the table? Y equals mx plus b. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's pick 2 points from the table. x1 equals 1, y1 equals 1, x2 equals 3, y2 equals 13. Substitute the values of x and y. We got m equals 6. Pick 1 point, x equals 1, y equals 1, and substitute the values of x and y to equation y equals mx plus b with m equals 6. We got b equals negative 5. Y equals 6x minus 5 is the equation. So H is the correct answer.